and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to make rules channel in your Discord. Perfect for keeping your server very organized and safe. So let's just get started. Start by going to a browser or go to Discord. You can go to discord.com or use the application itself and click on open Discord to open it up or sign in as your account if you're not signed in. Now, once you do so, you need to click on the server where you want to add the rules. So for that, look out for the server where you want to add the rules. For example, let's say this is the server I would like to add it. And there we go. Right here, so you can look out for this option of text channels and select this option of plus. And once you select it, you need to select this option of text channel right here. And you can start by naming it rules or something like, you can add different description, etc. You can even add emojis if you prefer. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the one. For example, this right here. So once you do so, you can even select if you want to make your channel private. Enable this option right here if you want to do so, and we can just go ahead and select this option of create channel, and it should create up a channel here. Now we can start by setting up the channel permissions and even editing the channel. So here you can select this option of edit channel. And once you select edit channel, you can start by going to permissions. And under everyone here, this section right here, you can turn off the option to send messages. So you can select this option of send messages in thread. You can just go over and select this option of disable and save the changes so that if you're the admin only, you can give out the rules here in the space. So go to overview once you do so, and here in this section you can just go over and paste the rules for your server. And for example, something like this, you can edit out yours own, and once you do so, you can just go over and long press on, right click on your message. You can just go over and even go ahead and save the changes first. And when you head back, you should be finding the rules available here. They're on your main screen. And that is it. That is how we can make a rules channel on Discord to keep things clear and organized. So if this video helped, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.